Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the 5 Halo Master Chief motorcycle helmets. Whether you're looking to boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, or just keep your engine running smooth, I've got you covered. This list is based on my personal experience and research, factoring in price, quality, durability, and overall value. If you want more details or a deeper review of each product, be sure to visit our website at www.bikerguides.com, and of course, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and engine tips. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. ILM 3/4 Open Face Multi-Configuration Motorcycle Helmet. The ILM 3 of 4 Open Face helmet offers versatile protection for riders across all vehicle types, from dirt bikes to scooters. Built with a high-strength ABS shell and EPS foam interior, it meets DOT safety standards while remaining lightweight and impact-absorbent. Its unique design features a detachable front cover and brim, allowing 4 riding configurations, plus a built-in camera mount. With 9 ventilation ports, it keeps airflow optimized for comfort. The tinted outer lens shields against sun, sand, and debris, and is easily replaceable. Suitable for both men and women, this helmet is ideal for ATV, MTB, street bikes, and more, delivering safety, style, and adaptability in one rugged package. Number 2. Halo Master Chief Deluxe Helmet by Jazzwares. Gear up like a true Spartan with the Master Chief Deluxe Helmet, an officially licensed Halo collectible from Jazzwares. Designed with immersive detail, this helmet features battle-damage paintwork for an authentic combat-worn look. Dual LED lights on each side help you spot enemies in low-light missions, enhancing both play and display. The included deluxe stand lets you showcase the helmet in style, perfect for fans and collectors alike. Whether you're prepping for cosplay or building your Halo shrine, this helmet delivers iconic design, premium features, and legendary status straight from the battlefield. Number 3. Halo Infinite Master Chief Adult Helmet. Step into the armor of a legend with the Halo Infinite Master Chief Adult Helmet. Crafted from 100% polypropylene, this costume piece features authentic green and black detailing with a translucent gold visor for clear visibility. Whether you're suiting up for cosplay, Halloween, or fan events, its soft inner lining ensures all-day comfort. Designed to complete your UNSC Super Soldier look, this officially licensed gear lets you channel the hero who saves the galaxy. Easy to maintain with spot cleaning, it's a standout addition for any Halo fan ready to join the ranks. Number 4. Club Machi Machi Halo Master Chief Helmet Plush 15-inch. Bring the Halo universe into your arms with the officially licensed Master Chief Helmet Plush from Club Machi Machi Dash. Designed in Japan, this ultra-soft 15-inch plush is perfect for gamers and collectors alike. With its huggable texture and iconic design, it transforms Master Chief's legendary helmet into a cozy companion. Ideal for ages 8 and up, it makes a standout gift for Halo fans or pop culture enthusiasts. Whether you're decorating your gaming space or expanding your plush collection, this squishy tribute to the UNSC hero is ready for cuddles and display. Number 5. Halo Master Chief Helmet Figural Mood Light. Illuminate your gaming space with the Halo Master Chief Helmet Mood Light, a must-have for fans and collectors. Painted and sculpted to replicate the iconic UNSC helmet, this 6-inch table lamp adds atmospheric glow and heroic flair to bedrooms, game rooms, or dorms. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, it features a 15-minute auto shutoff, making it ideal as a nightlight. Lightweight and compact at just 7.68 ounces, it's perfect for desks or shelves. Officially licensed and built to UNSC standards, this collectible lamp is mission-ready for Halo enthusiasts ages 6 and up.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.